Every startup founder I know secretly stalk their competitors. And today we're going to automate this. We're going to build an agent that goes to our competitors' websites, get all the news, and send us weekly news digest with all the features they built, any founding rounds, and anything we should know. So let's get started. Here we are in the playground of Agenta. If you don't know Agenta, it's an open source platform for teams to build agents and automation. Think about it like a Claude Cowork alternative. The playground here allows us to create new agents. You can see on the left side the configuration of the agent and on the right the chat. Now to build our agent, we're gonna simply ask it. I want to build an agent that creates a weekly digest about my competitors with informations about new features, funding, and anything relevant that I should know. To get started, go to our website and try to figure out what we do and who are our competitors. And I'm gonna go here and set the permissions to allow all so that I don't have to approve everything, especially that this agent doesn't have access to anything right now. So we can see here that the agent is starting to read its context. It has skills about how to build such automations. So it's asking me to give the company website. Let's give it agenta.ai and let's accept that. You can see here that it did some research. It opened our website and it says that our competitors are Dust, Relevance, Stack AI, and Lindy, with N8N and Zapier agents as adjacent automation competitors. And it says it's want to track launches, funding, pricing, integration, partnership, and positioning, and notable customers wins across these companies. That sounds fair. Let's set this up. And now it's asking me to connect Compose.io Search, which is basically the tool that it uses to search the internet and to get the information. So now it's asking me which day time should this automation use. Let's say I want to have it each week on Monday at 10 o'clock in Berlin time. And I confirm the format and everything else. While this is running, let's take a look at the configuration of the agent. And you can see here that an agent has a model, which it runs, and then instructions. And the instructions are the most important thing. It basically tells the agent what it should do, what is its personality or what's its specialization. And what we're doing right now is we're chatting with this agent so that it changes its own configuration. Basically, we tell it that it's now a competitive analysis agent, and what it will do is that it will update its own configuration so that it becomes that. And it will update the instruction, but also which tools it needs, skills, if any, and add a trigger, basically, so a schedule where it runs each Monday, as I asked. The agent went ahead and updated its own configuration, and we can look now and see that its instruction says that you are the weekly competitor intelligence agent for Agenta, an open source workspace for building, deploying, scheduling, and improving agents. On every scheduled run, research developments from the preceding 7 days on all these competitors, look for product launches, and etc., etc., etc. And I can go here and even edit this instruction because I have full visibility what it's supposed to do. So let's say I don't care about funding. I can add here, ignore any funding information. Focus on product features. And I can save this and commit it in the configuration, and now the agent will basically use the new instruction. The other thing we see that the agent did is it added kind of this tool for web search to get the data about the competitors, but also a schedule. So basically, each Monday at 8 a.m., it will send a message to this agent, please prepare this week's concise competitor. Now, until now, this agent will just create kind of a new chat with this competitor intelligence. But let's say I want to have this as an email. I can go to tools and add a connection. So I go here, third-party integration, select Gmail. It's already connected in my case, but if it were not, I would click on connect an account and then click on the connection. And now I'll simply ask the agent, please send this digest per email each time after you write it. Now, the agent went ahead and asked me for my email, and then it added the tool for Gmail to be able to send the email and updated its agents.md to say that when the digest is complete, send it to my email. Now, I don't have to wait until Monday to see if this works or not. I can go to the schedule here, click on these three dots, and click on Run in the Playground. And basically this will simulate a full run. And you can see when I click on this, the prompt that is usually sent on Monday will be sent right now. And it says, prepare this week's concise competitor intelligence digest for Agenta. And the agent will go ahead and do all this research and hopefully send me the email. And I can see the results. I can see that it's all about NA10. If somebody from there is listening, hi guys. With all their updates, why they matter to me, and what should we watch. And if I go to my emails, I can find that update and an email, and I should expect this every week. That was it for this video. If you like it and you want to watch more use cases and learn how to automate your business or your personal life, subscribe to the channel, follow me on LinkedIn, on Twitter, our repository. It's github.com/agenta-ai/agenta. I'll add it to the comments. Bye-bye.